Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Monday, the 9th of July. This is James Spann. Looks like the better chance of showers and storms today for the western and southern counties of the state. And you know what? It's going to be hot and humid every day this week. But then again, you knew that. This is July. Check it out. There's the upper air look early this morning. Got a ridge stretched out a little north of here from Southern California over to the Atlantic coast. And a pretty dry air mass kind of creeping into northeast Alabama. Let's look at the precipitable water coming off the herd. This is the analysis early this morning. The deeper moisture over the western and southern counties of the state, that's where the better chance of showers will be. Northeast Alabama, pretty dry air, and we'll extend this out until this evening. This is valid at 6 o'clock this evening, and you can see the air relatively dry for summer, especially east of the line from, say, Muscle Shoals down to Auburn and Opelika. So, again, the better chance of showers and thunderstorms today will be this afternoon over west and south Alabama, accordingly. That was a radar early this morning at 5:02. A couple of small showers over west Alabama in that deeper moisture axis over Greene and Hale counties. Watch warning map, a very quiet morning around the nation. There's the severe weather outlook for today. A couple of marginal risks out west. Tomorrow, main risk of severe storms, parts of Montana and North Dakota. And on day 3, Wednesday, the main risk of severe storms stays well up north, which is what you expect in July. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Got enough moisture here for obviously a few scattered showers and storms later in the week. This is suggesting rain amounts for the state between 1/2 and 1 inch, and of course your number might vary. Statewide, we'll start to see the scattered storms returning later in the week, Wednesday through Friday. Off in the tropics, generally speaking, pretty quiet. Of course, we got a couple of items to talk about. Number one, the remnants of Beryl. Technically, they dissipated last night. This is coming from the National Hurricane Center. They've stopped issuing advisories. They do give it a 30% chance of regenerating out in 3 to 5 days around the Bahamas, and that will, if anything forms out there, it's going to recurve. No threat to the Gulf. Take a look at Chris, this tropical storm Chris, just kind of hanging around off the coast of the Carolinas. Top winds are 60 miles per hour. This could become a hurricane within 24 hours. Ultimately, it kicks out, maybe as a Category 1 hurricane, and then becomes post-tropical up over the Canadian Maritimes late this week and early in the weekend. But again, no threat to the Gulf of Mexico, remains east of the United States. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS, the 06C run, valid today at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars, 597 heat ridge, out around Denver and Omaha. And again, for us, it's going to be a day with a high close to 90, I would say, and dry air for northeast Alabama. Better chance of scattered storms this afternoon from Birmingham, west and south. This is tomorrow, and again, a fairly dry air mass. We'll kind of tick up into the low, maybe mid-90s in spots. And could there be a shower? Yes, but probably not that many. This is Wednesday, maybe a pop-up storm in spots. Highs 92 to 95. Thursday, moisture seems to be a little deeper. I'd say the drier days this week would be tomorrow and Wednesday, and then scattered storms increasing a bit. Low 90s are likely, and the same thing on Friday. Partly sunny, scattered afternoon storms. Low 90s in most spots. And that's the deal for the weekend. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday. It's going to be hard to differentiate the days with a higher coverage of scattered storms. They'll be around, but pretty typical summer stuff. Highs for the weekend, I'd say low 90s. And a week from today, Monday the 16th, 594 heat ridge off to the west. And again, scattered storms are possible with low 90s. Let's go out 10 days. Wednesday of next week, the 18th. Nice little trough north of the state. That's pushing a surface boundary down this way. Probably won't make it through here, but that might bump the coverage of showers and storms at that point. Check the numbers. It's summertime. Highs mostly in the low to mid 90s and lows mostly in the low 70s over the next 15 days. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.